Hello everyone, I'm Eleonora and today I'm going to show you one of our 2 bedrooms apartment. Come with me. This type of apartment is composed by a living room, kitchen, 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. Here we have a 2-burner induction hob, microwave, kettle, American coffee machine, toaster, and everything that you need to have a nice dinner in this beautiful table. This is the first bedroom. The main characteristics of all the beds of the 2 bedrooms apartment is that they are singles but identical beds. So upon your request, you can have a single or a double bed sheets. This is the second bedroom. Here we have the bathroom, with a bathroom fixture and a white shower. And at the end, we have our beautiful veranda. Here you can enjoy a nice coffee in the morning. Come to Residence La Rosa and discover the 2 bedrooms apartment with your own eyes. See you!